Back at it again, folks, right here at Brooks Landscaping. What we've been able to do in just a short amount of time is give this customer an amazing landscape transformation. Not only were we able to work with one neighbor, but we were able to work with two neighbors to deal with the massive amount of water that was coming in on this landscape. That's right, we had a tremendous amount of water being able to move on this landscape due to the way that the builders had graded the lots. So from multiple different homes, there was a tremendous amount of water being able to come into here. So what we did is we burned this area up, and then we allowed for that water to be able to go in this natural place of being able to go outside of the fence. In addition, we saw the erosion that was happening up against this fence line by being able to bring in our beautiful river rock and decorative gravel design that dealt with this customer's landscape drainage problem. Now, in addition to that, we also dealt with this 50-foot retaining wall. Now, being at the lowest point of this wall, it required us to work with the neighbor to put in a dry creek bed that allowed for us to be able to suck up that water that was just washing out the bare dirt. In addition, guys, we also brought this customer another pallet of beautiful Zeon Zorgia, as you can see at the bottom of this landscape, as the first phase in helping them take back the landscape. We did the exact same thing for this customer, giving them the beautiful Zeon Zorgia along with the decorative gravel, allow for them to be able to ensure that they never have to worry about their fence washing out or any erosion taking place on their property. And that's one of the ways in which we become the highest rated landscaping companies around, because we find ways to solve customers' landscape drainage problem in the most effective way. And that's exactly what we did today. That's what we do each and every day right here at Brooks Landscaping. And it's the reason we become one of the highest rated landscaping companies around, because we're always focused on giving our customers more quality, more quantity than that of what could have ever been expected.